Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 6 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the hose, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Using multi-grip pliers, squeeze the 2 edges of the hose clamp to free it from its holding. Then slide it towards the airflow meter. You can now separate the inlet conduit. Remove the flange and place it to one side so it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Take out the air filter.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new air filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Put the flange back on. Using multi-grip pliers, put the air inlet conduit back, then the hose clamp. These clips are particularly hard to put back on. Tip: take hold of the clip with the pliers and insert 2 screwdrivers to increase the diameter. Then you can retake hold of the clip and compress it completely. Rescrew the 6 holding screws. Reconnect the hose. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.